bwe twakonye dansi eri mubire n'abo abazungu nga bavudde from England omwana ow'ebisu none other than beautiful, tall, slender, lungi ate nga munyufu ye Daisy Mukitte. Omwami omuzungu eyalese bamuyita Bill Smith. Ebirabo nga bingi ate nayogera birungi byereere ku mukyala we.
Siri regular babe. I'm different.
She's not ordinary.
No, that's why I'm with her, because she's different. Yeah, what you get is what you get. Norwecho benda tuiswa programu yo kwanjula nembaga kusani no saa zigenda kubera 10 mpaka 1 wano ku Delta TV tukole nango mwana bisu nandutu bajajja bange jajja omukyala azala jajja azala mama wange yavambali
Swa ku Delta TV nga kiwagidwa.
Sent transport to the wrong person. Here's how to reverse it with MTN mobile money. Dial *165#. Select My Account. Select Initiate Reversal. You will see your last 3 transactions. Select the transaction you want to reverse. Enter your mobile money PIN and you'll get an SMS confirmation that the transaction has been blocked from being withdrawn. And that's it. Please note, only transactions that haven't been withdrawn can be reversed.